Hey guys, so today I got one more mini Ramball for myself. I bought it. So we're going to be opening that today. See what we get. Let's get it started. What are you doing, Bubba? It's my dog. You couldn't see her. She is just a little. Okay, first pack. So this one's heavy and it's pretty big. I think I got, yes, I got, oh, no, never mind. I got my hopes up. No clue. Oh, this is the one where you have to make something. That's what it is. It is. It's like the only make one besides the one that comes with the fridge. And let's just open this. It was inside the back. Uh-oh. Hope that can be fixed. It's accidentally ripped it in half.
I think it's sand. Why don't you just leave it in there and we'll get it out when we make it.
Oh, okay. Well, she thinks it's sand. So we're gonna get it out when we make it. Which will be, yeah, it's gonna be like a pudding pie or something. Are you gonna make it in the video?
Okay. We'll make it for a mini video.
Okay. Got two of those. I thought that was ice for a second. I was like, please. Okay, second thing. Hickory smoke barbecue sauce. Another milk. Fresh milk. I think this is the different type of bacon that we already have, that we don't have already. Original bacon. I feel like we have a different kind. Let me double check. Whoa, everything just came collapsed out. Yeah, that's the same kind we already got. Another one. How common are these? Another oat star, and if you watched my last video.
That is a rare one too, by the way.
Hey, showed me that they, can you open this? That they open. And if you didn't watch my last video, I'll show you what the inside looks like. It looks like that. You can take it out. Yeah. I officially have no more room for that shelf on the oat stars. Okay, last one for the magnet. I can kind of see through the package, so I know what it is. The last type of Jell-O we need. Chocolate vanilla swirls. Our magnet is the painting of a picture. And there it is. Thanks for watching. We'll do the create thing in a separate short video. So, see you guys in the next one. Bye.